Hello guys, welcome to Jammin Classics. I'm James, and just thought we'd give you a little quick run through of the shop and show you around just a little bit. You know, all the guys are at lunch right now, so it's a little quiet, and we can sneak through the shop and let you see some of the projects. So come on out. So as you can see, this is an average day here at Jammin Classics. It is lunchtime right now, so we can sneak through the shop and take a look. You can see what all's going on, and we can take a look at some of these cars. So come on out. We've got a 52 Chevy pickup here that's coming together nicely, and it's going to be a really beautiful truck. We're putting a lot of you know, modern features in this truck, but we're keeping all the classic flavor of the truck. The owner really wants it safe and reliable, but you know, wants the classic look. So we're doing a really nice job on this truck. It's going to be a beautiful truck when it's done. The color is phenomenal. So it's an early Ford color actually that has been tinted into this little bit darker root beer color. We've got the 64 Thunderbolt. You guys, I know, have seen this car already, maybe a few pictures of it. It's coming along nicely. It runs now. It's fixing to be moving under its own power. We're going to be driving around and doing some test runs on it. It ought to be really nice with its 514, you know, 950 horse engine in it. It ought to be really a real kick to drive. We've got, you know, our 68 Roadrunner that's coming together nicely. We're doing the Borkson power steering upgrade in it, and we're doing a vintage air kit. So this car came to us out of Louisiana. It's going to be a really nice car. It's already a beautiful car. With these features, it's going to be really comfortable to drive.
Nice. And how many cars on average do we have in the shop usually?
We usually, quantity-wise, the cars, it can vary. We've got a few of the cars pulled outside right now, so we have room to work, but typically we can hold anywhere from like 18 to 22 cars in here.
Nice.
You know, pretty regularly. And we have probably about 30, at this time, probably 30, 35 on the waiting list to come in. So that's pretty much kind of where it averages and stays at about that you know, at that amount. So
nice.
We got a couple others. This little 66 Mustang just had an engine, drivetrain upgrade, and a lot of stuff done on it. It's really a nice little car. It's gonna be really fun to drive now. It's gonna have, you know, close to 350 horse. It's gonna be a much fun, you know, much more fun to drive. As you can see, there's a lot of these cars with getting upgrades. We can do, you know, engine packages, the vintage air packages, interiors, electrical systems, suspension upgrades, a lot of things that these cars need, especially to bring them up to the safety, you know, factor that they really need to be driven on the road every day in the traffic. We've got, you know, our metal shop back here in the back. We've got new equipment coming in. We've got, you know, a lot of heavy commercial sheet metal equipment and some more shop equipment coming in next week, and we'll shoot a little short segment of that when the equipment arrives. But we're all excited about that. That's going to really help us do our job.
We're standing on a 2-acre lot, right? So yeah, 5 acres.
Yes.
Nice. Yeah. So
we're on a 5-acre lot, and so we've got room for like 7 more buildings, but we've got 3 on the drawing board right now, 3 more. Nice. The 74 Torino is up on the lift right now, and that has one of the Ford Motorsport Coyote packages in it. That's from Ford Motorsport, and it's going to be a beautiful car. This thing is going to be really nice. We were told by the owner that the car is planned to be used for a feature car in the Ford Motorsport catalog. So we hope that comes down. That'll be really nice to see our car in a publication like that.
Yeah.
And we've also, underneath it, I know it's still under wraps right now, but we've been working on one of the 33 coupes from Factory 5 Racing. And it's got one of the Boss 302s in it, and it's we've got it up now to where it runs and drives. This car is going to be really nice. This couple that owns this car is going to be really excited to drive this thing for the first time. Like I said, we're a Factory 5 dealer, so we can service them, build them, order the kits, anything that they need for the Factory 5 cars, from their 33 coupes to all the Cobras, the Daytona coupes, all the products that Factory 5 offers is on our website. Also, we are a dealer for TRC Reproductions, which is a company that offers the 32 Ford coupes in the American Graffiti package, we offer those packages too, and a full build for the customers. So, well, that's our tour for today. I appreciate you guys tuning in, and hope you enjoyed, watching what we got. And be sure and hit the subscribe button, and like this video. And don't forget, send us questions. If you've got any questions, we'll put you in our question and answer segments. Nice. I appreciate it. Y'all come back.